Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can actually block the ads in the Realme X2 device. So this involves blocking the advertisements from the applications and even the offline games as well. So this is a procedure which you can follow in the Realme device, Realme phones like Realme X or Realme X2 or any other Realme phones. So just subscribe to my channel friends, Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description also for the playlist of Realme X2 device. So even the what wallpaper I'm using exactly right now, so which has a good feel if you are using in the dot notch area, as you can see friends, which covers very perfectly. So do check the links in description friends if you want to know more about the what kind of wallpaper. So let me begin the procedure how you can do that in the Realme X2 device. So right now I'm using the Realme X2 phone friends, and a few of the applications which actually doesn't require the internet connection. So for example MX player, which doesn't require internet connection friends, because it only plays the offline videos what are stored in the mobile phone. So like this application, there are like different types of applications like offline games as well, which actually doesn't require any type of internet connection. So what you need to do is that so let me try to open the MX player. As you can see friends, right now you are getting the ads here. So first you need to long press on the icon, and then you need to go to the app info. So once you are in the app info, you need to search for the column or data usage status. So you need to tap on there, and then you need to go to the network permissions, and here you need to select the off. As you can see friends, so now the permissions are off. So this is the first step you need to do, and next step is that you need to clear cache memory, clear the cache data and everything. So everything is cleared right now, as you can see friends. So all the data is completely clean. So let me try to open the MX player right now, and let's check what you will get. So as you can see friends, as soon as you open the MX player, you'll get this kind of message where MX player is forbidden from using the internet connection. So you need to just keep on pressing the keep disabled option whenever you open the MX player application. So this is kind of very annoying friends. Every time you open the MX player application, still it keeps on popping up whether to allow the internet connection or not. So usually it should not be like that. Once you disable, it should be disabled, but every time you should not keep on asking about the internet connection. As you can see right now, you cannot see any kind of ads. As you can see friends, right now even I connected to the Wi-Fi network, there is internet in the mobile, but still you cannot see any ads in the MX player right now. And same kind of same kind of procedure is also applicable for the other games as well. So let me open, this is a offline game, racing games friends, beach buddy racing, so which actually doesn't require any internet connection. So let me explain again. So you need to long press on the app info. There are like different kind of methods you actually can do in the Realme X2, and I am trying to show you the easiest way how you can do. So you need to go to the data usage status and network permissions and turned off, and just try to clear the data so that all the advertisement, whatever the cache data is there in the mobile phone, everything gets deleted. So now again you try to open the game, and you won't see any ads appearing on the game friends. So same kind of trick you can use even for the wallpaper, not for the wallpapers, maybe for like this offline applications and offline games, so which is a very good thing. And the method two, how you can do that is that you need to go to the dual SIM and cellular networks. So right now I did not install any SIM right now, so that's why the options are disabled here. So let me try in the Realme X2 Pro device. So it is a Realme X2 Pro friends. So even though it doesn't have any SIM, as you can see friends, no SIM card, but still you can access a few of the settings. So let me open the dual SIM and cellular networks. So you need to go to the option using Wi-Fi and cellular networks. So once you are over there, you can just select any game, whatever the game you want to disable the advertisement. Just click on closing. So in this way you can disable the internet connection for any game or any other application, offline application, which actually doesn't require any internet connection. So thank you friends for watching this video, and do subscribe to my channel friends if you want to know more in details about the Realme X2 and any other smartphone, and a lot of other future tricks which I'll be mentioning in my channel. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.